In this video, we're going to go over adding new users in WordPress. From the dashboard, we're going to head over here to our navigation bar and highlight users. From here, we're going to go ahead and scroll over and click Add New. You can add users to your site with different roles such as administrator, editor, author, contributor, or subscriber. Users with roles other than administrator will see fewer options when they're logged in based on their role. To add a new user is pretty easy. First thing you need to do is make them a username and type in their email. You want to make sure that the email is correct because this is where their password will get sent. Now the name and website are optional, and down here in the password you can choose to show the password so you can copy and paste it and store it. In the event that the user doesn't get the email or deletes it or loses their password, I think it's always a good idea to store this till they log in at least one time. Another important part about this page is setting the role. Here's the list of the roles that I mentioned earlier. These are the roles I mentioned earlier: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Once you decide which role you're going to give this new user, you click Add New User. Let's briefly go over what these user roles can do. A subscriber is somebody who can only manage their profile, and the roles are pretty limited. A contributor is someone who can write and manage their own posts, but they can't publish them. An author is someone who can publish and manage their own posts. An editor is somebody who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users like authors, contributors. And an admin is somebody who can access all the administrative features on the website. You'll want to be careful who you give administrative access to. And if at any time you need help or have any questions, you could always head up here to the Help tab, where you'll get a brief overview of adding users and links to documentation and the support forums where you can ask questions.